tire's almost on the jack on the other side.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sarah, that's Ellis, and this is our truck camper. We love to adventure in the great outdoors, and we have hiked, camped, and splashed in some truly amazing places over the last few years. We don't know where all we'll get to visit in the future, but we want to continue adventuring, and we're taking you along with us. After many weekends working on projects, we have finally finished the remodel of our camper, which was an adventure of its own. So this means it is time to finally get back out there part-time. This time around in our new rig. Follow along to see where our adventures take us next.
Good morning friends, happy weekend and welcome back to another video. This weekend we are going to be loading the camper back up onto the truck. I spent a long time yesterday getting the truck all nice and shiny clean. Dad and I have loaded up the back of the truck with some boards that we are going to cut up to use to make a platform to put the camper on. So here in a few minutes we're going to start working on that, and then we'll head over to storage and go get the camper. Oh, we have company coming. Hi Mitz. Hey kitty cat. Oh, going up there, okay. He is starting without me. Ran home for a couple minutes. He wasn't even out here yet. But I ran home for a couple minutes to get things ready and organized. Find the tripod. And there he is. So originally we were planning on making it where there would be 3 different sections: front section, middle section, back section, kind of like what we're doing. We were going to do solid plywood for each section. It made it super duper heavy. So you saw us make the first one, and we got in here and then we took it back out to add those wings on to kind of help direct the camper as we are lowering it down in, and we realized this is gonna be a nightmare every time we have to take it in and out. So we're just gonna do it this way. This is still gonna definitely be a big upgrade from the way that I had it previously. All right, we're all loaded up and almost ready. Just airing up the tires. All right, so we are all done making the platform. We have aired up the back tires once more. We have the extra boards that we did not end up using loaded up in the back of the truck, and we are ready to go get the camper. Yes, it is happening. One step closer. One step closer. Let's get out of here. Today we've gotten a couple minutes head start on Dad over here, just because we need to get things tied up inside before we start working on getting everything ready and loaded up.
Come back. We're just gonna watch the wheel wells. Let's get our. Hold on a minute. Got to get your cussing out of the way first. All right, we're ready now.
Who is cussing?
Cussing and fussing. Cussing and fussing.
Let's just try not to do either.
Huh?
Let's just not do either.
All right, put your windows down.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, just back a little bit. Whoa! Nah, that ain't gonna work. Stop. See how much gap we got here?
Not a lot.
Need a little bit more. So go forward. Now back up. All right, hold it right there. Problem is, these aren't full width campers. These are like campers narrower, so the jacks come really close to your beds. Keep going, and stop. The tire's almost on the jack on the other side. All right, come on back. Hold it. You go look at the other side again. It's a back and forth battle. Oh, your front tires are up to the lip. All right, just back up some now. 1 foot on the brake, 1 on the gas. All right, go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Hold it. Looking good. Hold up. Looking good. Going back. All right, backing up 5 inches. There, close to touching.
again, we are all loaded up and are ready to get the camper set out to get back on the road. It has been a full day of work here, and that's going to be it for this week's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you again next weekend. Bye for now. We got a couple minutes. There she blows.
Turn your wheel to the left. That's the right.